Hi guys. Let's check when Windows 10 last updated on your computer. If you have upgraded Windows 10 but can't recall when, have you? Do you want to know if Windows 10 is currently installed on your computer? You can find out when Windows 10 last received a significant update if it's a major Windows update. Microsoft publishes a new major Windows 10 update for your computer every 6 months, and if your system is set to receive automatic updates, Windows will probably update to the most recent version. Here's how to check the update's installation date if you're interested. Go to Windows Settings by pressing the keyboard shortcut Windows key +I and navigate to System-About section on the left side. You can also use the Start menu to open the settings. Look on the right side, scroll down to the Windows specifications, and check the version that your PC has. You can see the OS build number, date installed on, and version of the Windows 10 you are using. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.